And the last question which comes, why paid ads and not free stuff? Free stuff means like posting on WhatsApp groups, posting on Facebook groups, sharing on WhatsApp stories. Why? Because first of all, nothing is free. Either you pay money or time. If you're posting on this kind of content free, it means you're giving your time, which could have been used for various other monetization purpose. Like you could have taught people, you could have done sales call. So you're giving time in, that is one form of payment. Time is one form of payment, right? And let's say even if you're posting in groups, how many members the group will have? 5,000 members, 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, whatever be the number of members in one group. If you post in groups, first of all, if you post, it won't reach to 5 lakh people. Their organic reach is very less, 1%, 2%. Even if reaches those people, it will reach same people again and again. Even if it reaches 50,000 people, so all those 50,000 will see the ads again and again and again. So initially you might get few buyers from there, but then it will stop because you are not reaching new people, right? Second thing, moderators of those forums will might ban you, because usually people create forums for interaction purpose, not for advertisements. Now you might say that I have joined few forums where advertisements are allowed. If advertisements are allowed and if 50,000 people are there, don't you think everyone will post? So if you see 50,000 advertisement at once, if advertisement is allowed and all 50,000 starts posting their advertisement at once, it's simply like waste of time, right? Because you will see 5,000 ads at once. So basically what I want to say in short, that posting in groups might not be the ideal solution. You have to run ads. That is not an ideal solution. You can't rely on free sources forever. To get you have to go on paid traffic, and which is Facebook and Google Instagram ads, right? So there's a concept which is an ideal dream scenario. If you can spend 1 rupees and get 2 rupees back, you won't have to worry about any revenue or income again. Right? How it works? Basically, let's say you put 1,000 rupees on your ad. You got, let's say, 20 leads. Out of 20, let's say you have converted just one client. Just one. I'm taking very less. Out of 20 people, you talk to those 20 people, you found that 5 people are junk, still you're junk. And then out of 15 people, you have converted one client. So after spending 1,000 rupees, you have converted one client for, let's say, 10,000 rupees product or 5,000 rupees product, right? Let's say if you are giving one course for 1 month, you can charge 5,000. So after giving one ad for 1,000 rupees, you have already converted people for 5,000 rupees. So you're already 5 times you're increasing the money, 500 times the profit is coming. So getting twice profit is very very easy. What do I mean by twice profit? That means you are spending 1,000 rupees and you are selling something for 2,000 rupees. So that definitely it's achievable. In physical product also some margin is there. So even if you make one sale, you are doubling the money easily. This is different from investing in, like, people, you might think that, okay, in how is it possible, does it really work? But this is not investing or growing your money. Growing your money is different. In mutual funds you get 13-17% returns. Fixed deposit you get 6% returns. So you're getting limited returns in 1 year, but that is growing your existing money. Whatever you have earned, you're trying to grow that. You're creating wealth. That is different concept. Here you are not creating wealth. So definitely getting a good ROI is very easy, because you are giving your time, you are selling something actual, you are selling something tangible, and you are working hard for that. So it's not growing your investment, it's like earning money. Why I told this? Because there are many times people are coming and saying that no, it's not possible, how you can earn 200% times. So just take the example which I took, 20 leads and just one sale, you are getting double, 5 times profit.